So I think, when patients come to me and want advice in terms of where should they go, what's the best possible option for them, my response is always very data driven. I'm a data guy, and so if you look at the big picture in terms of cancer therapy, it's been shown in a variety of different studies that basically, if you're a cancer patient and you're treated at an NCI-designated cancer center, your chance for survival is 25% better than someone who's treated outside of an NCI-designated cancer center. That is a profound and stunning difference, which many people don't understand and they don't realize. The other thing that I would say is, so the short answer to the question is, I would always look for an NCI designated center as your first option. That being said, I think it is critically important to get second opinions. And second opinions may be able to offer you a different clinical trial than what's available at the first place that you went. They may have specialists that are particular experts in your variant of whatever type of cancer that you have, and so it always makes sense to get a second opinion as far as I'm concerned. The cancer centers, NCI-designated cancer centers, are listed on the National Cancer Institute's website. And, all NCI centers have, I think, fairly patient-friendly sites right now that can be accessed. And then, of course, the other sort of more general source of information is clinicaltrials.gov. Now, clinicaltrials.gov can be a little intimidating for someone who is not a medical professional, who doesn't really have any sort of content-based knowledge base to go forward with. But you can ask your healthcare professional to help you navigate that, help you understand what are the options available for you in terms of clinical trials. And I think if you get pushback on that, that should be a red flag. If some place is telling you, I don't really think you need to go to a second opinion, that's something I'd be very leery of. No, top flight professional national expert has any qualms about you going someplace else for a second opinion.